The garden story. The garden puzzle. It was a bright, sunny morning. Samir and Tasha stood beside an empty patch of land next to their house. "Let's make a garden here," said Tasha with a big smile. "Yes," said Samir, "but we must find out how much fence we need around it." Tasha thought for a moment. "The fence goes all around the garden, so that's the perimeter, right?" Samir nodded. "Yes, perimeter means the distance around a shape, like walking all the way around the garden." Samir took a tape measure and measured the garden. "It's 6 meters long and 4 meters wide," he said. "Then the perimeter is 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 equals 20 meters, said Tasha happily. "Correct," said Samir. "We can also use the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 times open parenthesis length plus breadth close parenthesis." Tasha clapped. "That's easy. And if it's a square, then all 4 sides are the same," said Samir. "So, perimeter equals 4 times side." Tasha laughed. "So, if our small flower patch is a square with sides 2 meters, the perimeter is 4 times 2 equals 8 meters. "Perfect," said Samir. "Now we know how much fence we need." Then Tasha looked inside the garden. "If the perimeter is the edge, what about the space inside where we'll plant grass?" she asked. "That's called area," said Samir. "Area tells us how much space is covered inside a shape. For a rectangle, area equals length times breadth. For a square, area equals side times side." Tasha nodded. "So, if our garden is 6 meters long and 4 meters wide, area equals 6 times 4 equals 24 square meters." "Exactly," said Samir. "That's how much grass we can grow." Tasha saw a triangle-shaped flower bed. "Can we find its area too?" she asked. "Yes," said Samir. "For a triangle, area equals 1/2 times base times height. So if the base is 10 meters and the height is 6 meters, area equals 1/2 times 10 times 6 equals 30 square meters." "That's fun," laughed Tasha. "We can even find the area of different shapes like rectangles, squares, or triangles." Samir smiled. "You see, we use perimeter and area in many ways. To make fences, to lay carpets, to build tiles, and to decorate photo frames." Tasha giggled. "Math is everywhere, even in our garden." They both looked proudly at the patch of land. "It's not just a garden," said Samir. "It's our classroom too." The two friends waved their hands full of mud and laughed. And as the sun shone down, their new garden began to bloom, with flowers, numbers, and a lot of learning. Perimeter equals distance around a shape. Area equals space inside a shape. Shapes like rectangles, squares, and triangles each have their own easy formulas.